Okay, so this is the Candy Cane Inn room tour that we just checked in. It's 1:09 on a Wednesday. This pillow was up. We did sit on it. Tried the beds, super comfortable and squishy. This little nice area right here. Phone, you got an alarm clock. You got a light system, brightens up the room. Another bed. So these are like queen size standard beds, soft, clean. The first thing I smelled in here was everything smelled really, really good. It smelled clean. Little decoration here. Very clean. These are the little products. Comes with a comb and a little bag to clean. That's cute. And then like some soaps and a shower cap. So they give you some nice little arrangements here. Coffee maker. I don't drink coffee, so little essentials, hair dryer. You get two of these to put your luggage on, hanger, ironing board, and then nice full-length mirror, which I love. See what you're wearing for your Disneyland trip. Then we have the bathroom. Lots of towels. Clean. Smells very good and very clean. So, very clean. Those are just like, and a nice little seating area. You know, it's a little bit older. Probably could use some updated furniture, but it's a really nice motel. And the grounds are really nice. And then also we have TV, and then in here is a safe and a refrigerator. Yeah. All your channels, buy tickets, little table. We are in room 102, or actually 120. And everything is super clean. And it smells really good in here. Like they use some type of scent, like orangey scent or something, floral. Smells good. Smells clean. And so clean. So this is our little cute little oasis for a little bit, guys.
I wonder if Mom's gonna get Ashton in the video.
So cute. I got the little baby in the video. Didn't I get you there, Shigapee? Looking so cute in his little little outfit. Oh my gosh, he looks so stylish. So stylish. We're at Disneyland enjoying our time. Oh, and these are shutters.
Uh-oh, spaghettios.
So it has shutters and you can close and open. Real pretty. And here's air conditioning.
Spaghettios.
Small, but you're not like in here. You're going to be at Disneyland all day. But it's really clean and pretty. And so I asked them to clean the carpet if there's any stains, just because my son, and they cleaned it. It's actually wet, which is really cool. I mean, the special touches. I mean, they didn't have to clean this carpet, but they did. That's really sweet of them. All right. And they also just brought us a little bag of cookies and a card. How sweet is that? So this Candy Cane Inn place is definitely an A+ for us. Cute. It's a cute inn that's been here for many, many years, as long as Disneyland has been open. So super cute. And I just thought this was just adorable. So we really do like it. My son's pants are off, and we're really happy. So it's gonna be a good stay. And here I am with my hair looking a little crazy right now because it was hot. And what's also really wonderful is they have a shuttle here.